So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung phone is stuck on the charging display. So maybe it looks something like this. There's also a lot of different ways it can kind of look. Now, if it's stuck on this type of display, that might mean your phone has not charged up at all. So what I would recommend doing is to go through and just let your phone sit there on a charger for a little bit of time, maybe for 10 to 20 minutes before trying to open it up. The other big thing to keep in mind here too, though, is that within this type of device, you're also going to have to go through and you're probably going to have to double check your charger. If your charger itself is also like a very slow charger or it's not a fast charger, that can also give you some issues. So go through, make sure your charger is a fast charger or some sort of good charger like that, because that is another very big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about there as well. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing on top of that is to go through and essentially see if you can basically restart or power on your phone by clicking on the power button. So find the power button of your Samsung phone and go through and hold it down. If you're able to hold it down until your Samsung screen comes up, then that means your phone probably was just stuck on the charging display, maybe it didn't reboot, and you're going to have to click on the power button on the side to basically go ahead and reboot it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.